Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Today is Diwali and I wish all of you a very happy Diwali. May all your wishes be fulfilled. Diwali is the festival of conquest of illumination over wickedness, cognition over ignorance, and virtue over immortal. The holy month of Kartik has witnessed great events, giving us all the reasons to celebrate Deepavali as festival. We not only celebrate the incarnation of goddess Lakshmi from Samudra Manthan, but we also celebrate the triumph of Lord Rama, Lord Ram, and his return to Ayodhya. See, astrological calendar places the event of return of Pandavas on the day of new moon to Hastinapur during the days of Diwali. The brightest festival of Diwali concurs with Amavasya, darkest day of the year. Diwali has its own horoscope as well as astrological importance. See, not only Diwali signifies the progression into new lunar year, but also the synchronism of the sun as well as moon, along with the positions of planets which are taking place during this festival, makes it more commending and opportune time in astrology, bringing luck and prosperity to people's lives. I suggest you to set the pujan, whatever puja you are doing, you have to set each and everything in northeast direction, and all the individuals to sit facing north. I also request you, urge you to keep Deepak, Divas in group of 4. Group of 4, why? Because it represents Lord Kuber, Lord Ganesha, Lord Indra and Goddess Lakshmi ji. And along with it, it should be in count of 11, 21 and 51. Skanda Purana has referred the festival as the source of life sustaining cosmic energy as well as light, and has also mentioned the significance of diva made of clay, and thereby we encourage the use of diyas over candles and artificial lights. Your books of accounts represents your wealth, your finance, your assets, and they all should be worshipped, and therefore you must place all of them. Properties, you can place the documents of your properties in front of idol of goddess Lakshmi ji, so that you can get blessings of goddess. Red is the color of auspiciousness and is considered significant in Lakshmi Pujan. Lakshmi Puja, so I recommend that you use it for diyas, flowers, lights. I will suggest you that please don't use heavy noise while doing the aarti. Also try to avoid claps, as Lakshmi ji despise loud noise. But I suggest you to rather you should use a tiny bell. We also despite the idea of gifting leather accessories on this festival, as it is considered unlucky in astrology. As I always say, Diwali is not just the festival of lights and crackers, but self-enlightening. We must not fail to absorb the positivity generated by the concurrence of illuminating bodies, the sun as well as the moon. I am sure you will follow each and everything. I once again, your astro friend Chirag, wishing you all the very best in life. May this Diwali bring all kinds of happiness and good health in your way. Stay happy. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.